Buongiorno, welcome. Today we are going to learn greetings in Italian. My name is Isabella and I'm your host. Our first word will be ciao. I know you know ciao in English as well, but let's see how we use it in Italian. It's a little different. We use it as a hi or hello, but we use even as a goodbye. Ciao is used in informal situations. You cannot use it with your boss or somebody that you don't know. In case you are in a formal situation or you meet somebody for the first time, you can use a couple of options. The first one we see is buongiorno. That means good morning. But honestly, it means good day as well, because giorno in Italian means day. So you can use it until basically the sunset. We don't use good afternoon. That's supposed to be buon pomeriggio. It's really not common. So keep using buongiorno for the whole length of the day. Another greeting during the day can be Buona Giornata. That means have a good day or a wonderful day. Usually it's used more when you leave or if you don't stop. So let's make an example. You're getting in a bar. Be careful, bar in Italian is a cafeteria. You just drink coffees. You will introduce yourself to the barista saying buongiorno. When you leave, you will say Buona Giornata. That is a nice and polite way, can be considered formal and informal. Let's say that is past the sunset, so of course we don't say buongiorno or buona giornata anymore. We will say buona sera or buona serata. Buona sera is good evening and buona serata is have a good evening. If it's getting very late during the evening, Buona Sera is not appropriate anymore. We will say Buona Notte. That means good night. Buona Notte can be used in a formal and an informal way. Talking about farewell, we have a couple of options to say see you soon. One is formal and is Arrivederci, or if you are in an informal situation, you can say a presto, or the long form is ci vediamo presto, but a presto is okay. I hope you enjoyed our first lesson in Italian. Please leave a comment below and let me know if you have any question, and any suggestion is always appreciated. I wish you buona giornata or buona serata, it depends at what time you watch this video, and a presto. Ciao!